Okay, now look at this dino. This is a Stygimoloch. Look how cool this thing looks. It has battle damage, so if it gets hit by another dinosaur, bam! Whoa, look how crazy that looks. And then you can put it back up, like it healed itself, like it's mommy and daddy. Put some band-aids on it. Look at this. Its head moves. Oh wow, all the way side to side too. That's awesome. And then look at this. Look at his arms. What's up? Yeah, that's super cool. Both of them move, and then the legs move, so you can make it like you can make it stand up. Let's see. Look at that. It's kind of. He's standing up. Whoa! That's super cool. But yeah, this is a new Jurassic World one, and then look at this. See this thing on the bottom? You can scan that and then scan into the app, and we'll do that a little bit later. But I just want to show you how cool this dinosaur is. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that head. Look how cool. Look at how detailed it is. Okay, watch this. And then, oh, the tail. Oh, that's cool. And then let's move on to the next one. Look at this. It's the Baryonyx. This thing's insane. Watch, there's this button on its back. Oh. Look how detailed this thing is. That's awesome. That is way too cool. Okay, let's see. And then look at its tail moves a tiny bit, but I don't think it's supposed to really. And look at you could. What the heck? What dinosaur runs like that? That's insane. And then look at, let me see if the other one does it. Oh my god, it goes backwards! Oh, that's crazy. And then look at this. Look at its arms. Look at its tiny little arms. Look at that. It had so many sharp teeth. Oh, that's insane. Look at oh my, this guy is insane. And look at another one. You can scan its foot on the Jurassic World app, and then it'll go into the system somehow. But that one is way too cool. Baryonyx is oh, look at this! Even the arms go out too. What the heck? Look at that! It could give you a hug, but I don't think you'd really want a hug from a Baryonyx. That thing would be way too scary up close. Ah! Okay, let's see. Here's another one. The Triceratops. Look at how cool this one is. Its head moves. What? There's a button on its back too to make it do some crazy. Let's see if its head moves. What? Look at that! It's wiggling around. That is. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Look at it. Its arms move forward. Oh my god, can it do it? Almost. Oh, it almost goes all the way around. Oh, they go out too. So yeah, it might be able to go. Oh, what? Which one? What? Why would it ever do that? Hello, hello, hey guys, hey! Yeah, right. And then look at this, look at its legs. Oh my god, look at that. Let's make it do a handstand. Look at this, Woo! Have you ever seen it? Oh my god, that's awesome. Its tail looks like it could almost, it moves a tiny bit, but look at that. And then look at this. It has the scanner thing too, so we're gonna scan all three of these and see what they come out in the app to look like. Look at this. Ah! Oh, heck yeah! Now let's start scanning these dinos. Okay, now let's start scanning these dinos. Okay, what you're gonna want to do is download the Jurassic World Facts app, and then it's right here. It looks like this. It may look a little bit different for Android or those types of users, but this is what it looks like on an iPhone. Look at that. Oh man, that looks way too cool. Okay, now it's loading up. Okay, let's see. Whoa. It sounds like you're actually at the park. Okay, down in the very bottom it says scan. What you're gonna want to do is click on that, and then now what you gotta do is put your dinosaur in front of it. See where the foot is? You put it in front of that. Let's see if it scans it. Let's see. Whoa, already. Oh, so I've already scanned this one, but look at that. Look at that. That is way too cool. And then you can click on this icon and it'll tell you facts about it. At 8 feet, she can't fit through a door. She's 8 feet high. That's crazy. And look at this. The name Baryonyx means heavy claw. And then see what this one says. The Baryonyx weighs 1.7 tons. That's as heavy as a car. No way. That's so cool. Okay, look, let's scan another one. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go with this Stygimoloch. Let's see, let's scan it. See if it wants to scan. Whoa! Now that's cool. No, look at that. Oh, he sounds so cool too. Okay, let's see its facts. Alright, let's see. The name Stygimoloch means River Styx Demon. Whoa, that's intense. Yeah, let's see another one. Their aggressive interactions are probably mostly with each other. So they would mainly fight each other. So other Stygimolochs would fight other Stygimolochs. A Stygimoloch is believed to sound like today's antelope. What? That's crazy! And look at, as you can tell, this guy was a plant eater. Up in the top, it shows a little plant. On the Baryonyx, it actually showed a little piece of meat, that's really cool. Okay, let's see. Now we got one more. Let's scan that one. Here we go. Let's grab the Triceratops. Let's do it. Let's see if it wants to scan. Come on, let's get it in there. What? Look how big this dude is. Oh, he looks so cool. Now let's check out his facts. Let's see. There is little evidence that Triceratops lived in herds, so they don't know if it really traveled in packs or with its family or not. Let's see. The name Triceratops means three-horned face. Wow, that's cool. Let's see the last one. The Triceratops is about 26 feet long and 9.5 feet tall. That's insane! Oh my god, that's so cool! Man, look at that. And then also right up there, as you can tell, he's a plant eater. Oh man, these are some cool dinosaurs. I'm gonna have to pick up some more and then show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Look at that. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye!